This is Brittany with WTI, and if you suffer with dark circles, puffy eyes, or fine lines around your eyes, these gold eye patches are about to come in clutch. I love using these little eye patches because they're so easy to use. They make you feel so good. They're so refreshing. And I also love that they actually work. I notice a huge difference if I don't keep them in my routine, because with them, it totally helps my eyes. Especially I've noticed if I use them regularly, it makes an even bigger difference. So I use them a few mornings every week, and they do so good. First of all, even when you put them on, they're so refreshing to your eyes. I don't actually even keep my little packages in the fridge, but they recommend that as an option. And I have several friends that use these as well, and they keep theirs in the fridge, and they're like game changer. For me though, they're already pretty cool when I put them on, so I don't feel the need to. Like, I do have a cold house though, but they are so refreshing, feel so good. I keep mine on for 20 minutes to sometimes 45 minutes. I'll put them on and work out and forget I even have them on, but they just feel so good. I personally notice a huge difference, especially with the moisture levels around my eyes, because last thing I'm trying to do is get wrinkles around my eyes, and I feel like they make a big difference in keeping my eyes looking youthful. So that's my point of view.